Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change or reset your forgotten Discord password. First of all, go to discord.com/login and click forget your password. Type the email link to your Discord account. Then select OK. Open your Gmail. Then select reset password. Now enter a new password here. Enter a strong new password, confirm it and click change password. Now go back to Discord and enter your new password and you are back in. That's it. Resetting your Discord password is that easy. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.